Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got another package in the mail. Actually, this has been sitting, waiting for me to pick up for a few days at least. So I was excited to get over there and pick it up. Got this from the Instagram Gold Club. Now this is a little bit different from what he normally has for us each week. And the cool thing about the Gold Club is you're not obligated to buy from it if it's an offer you don't want or you don't think it's the right deal or whatever. You don't have to buy or pick it up, but at least you get the opportunity to, right? And everything that I've bought from there has been a good price. I usually jump out to the online bullion dealers, take a look at what things are going for at that point, and it's usually better than what I can get it for elsewhere. And anytime I can save a little bit of money on some bullion or some coins, I'm all in, right? Who wouldn't be? So like I said, this one's a little bit different than what he normally does. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's cut this thing open. Get into this bag. He usually writes a little personal note, which is always really cool. I don't usually show it because it's personalized, and that one's a little bit different than normal, but that's okay. I like it still. Oh, what's this? Got myself a nice little bag. Alright, stacking.nyc. That's the Instagram account. If you want to check him out, Tommy does all kinds of cool things. Really nice guy. And here's what's in the package. Looks like I got myself another sticker from him. And let's see if we can see what's below that sticker. I see some silver stuff. So what do we have here? We have the Philharmonic silver coin. Pretty cool. Well, I like the Philharmonic. I'm not a huge fan of it for a couple of reasons. Number one, they tend to milk spot. And number two, they don't have a reeded edge. I like the reeded edge for some reason. But yeah, I got myself a Philharmonic silver coin. Oh, and what's that? Got myself a matching Philharmonic gold coin. What do you think about that, huh? Alright. Pretty nice, huh? Let's go ahead and get them out of the plastic because we know the light bounces off that. Always amazes me how small these 10th ounce coins are. But they're a 10th of an ounce and they are worth some money, right? We all know that. So let me flip them over. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Alright. Let's take a look at this one first. Again, it's a 2021. Getting a yellow bounce from my light. Should have turned off my overhead light. Pretty cool, right? And then I've always liked the instruments on the other side. Is that a classic coin or what? Well, it's so shiny, so hard to get a good view of. Yeah, look at that, huh? And it would be a coin, right? Because it has a value of 150 euro. So that would be a coin. So pretty nice, huh? But again, no reeded edge, just a smooth edge there. Very nice, huh? Again, these do tend to milk spot, but boy, that thing's got some nice weight to it. It's a nice one. Alright, and to get the matching gold piece, look at this thing, huh? And again, they're both 2021s, which is really cool. See if we can zoom in a little bit here. Maybe a little bit more. If you zoom in too far, it gets a little grainy on you, but yeah, look at the luster on that, as they say. 2021, let's flip it over. Philharmonic. It's got the instruments on there. Pretty cool, huh? Very nice. Now, this is my first gold piece on the Philharmonic. It's €10, it says there. My first one. I know they've got the quarter ounces and the full ounces, and they can usually get them for a lower premium. So this is, how's that, 1.5 euros, not 150, because I was going to say, this is worth more than this. This is 10. And this is 150? No way. But no, it's 1.5, I think. Let me zoom back out here a little bit. Zoomed in a little too much there. Pretty nice, huh? Look at that thing. Ooh, she's a beaut. So another 10th ounce of gold added to the stack. Nothing wrong with that. How do you flip this one over? Yeah, the same way. It's here. Yeah, flip it like that. That is one beautiful coin. I love the shine on there. And I believe these are 999 pure. And the 4 nines, 9999 pure. Does it say it on there anywhere? I don't think it does it? Zoom back in a little bit. I don't see it on there. It says a tent. Unzi. Gold. Oh, there it is. Right up here at the, right there. 4 nines, 999.9. There we go. It is on there. 1/10. Gold. Oh, that's a good shot right there, isn't it? That is a good shot. See if we can get a same thing on this as well. Tip it over a little bit. It's so shiny. There we go. All the instruments on there. Wow, that's a beauty. I love that thing. And this thing is pretty darn shiny too. Wow. A mirror finish on that thing. Look at that mirror finish. Man. Here we have the 1 ounce 2021 Fiend Silver. Fiend Silver. That's the fine silver translation. That's how I translated it anyway. Not sure how accurate it is. Anyway, yeah, so there we go, huh? Let's put these down and admire them for one more moment. So thanks there, Stacking NYC. This is a nice setup. I got it for what I deem to be a good price, and taking good care of us in that Instagram Gold Club. And yeah, thanks for letting me be part of it and using it to keep my stack going. All right, well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.